So this is the last video of trying to get the Sausage, the world's longest RC car, to go 100 mile an hour off-road. We've already had 98 mile an hour out of this bad boy. Trouble is, we keep blowing out tyres. Oh no! Oh. These ones here, the Proline Badlands, they're actually beadlock wheels. They're some of the best tyres you can have for not blowing out, and they blew out. Then, we tried these Taylor RC tyres, and they also blew off. Also, the rear end of this was a little bit squirmy. It was quite difficult to keep it in a straight line. So before, we had this car overdriven on the front. So the front tyres were spinning faster than the rear tyres. That pulled it along and kept it in a nice straight line. Then I decided to change it because we kept blowing out front tyres. And I made it the same gearing front and rear. But now, however, the back end just feels a little bit fishtaily. So we're going to slightly overdrive the front, but only by one tooth on the pinion. Also, in here, I've got a new set of these Taylor tyres, and these ones here have had extra glue put in there to make them extra strong. So we've got to mount these up, and then we can try those too. We've already got the world's fastest off-road RC car, but I just want to make it go 100 mile an hour, just a nice round figure. So in this video, we're actually going to do it. If we don't do it, I'm not going to post a video, so we're going to be doing it in this video. When we blew this tyre out, the vibration of it also took out this drive shaft here, look. So let's sort all that stuff out and then take it out for a rip. Oh dear, look at the state of that. That all happened from a blowing out tyre. So this one here is a 44 tooth from AGF. So in here, we're going to look for a 43. Next, we got to get these new tyres onto these rims here. Now, these have got a clever sort of bead lock system. The middle of the tyre, it's got this sort of bead thing on there. And these are actually two halves. And when you bolt it onto the wheel, it clamps that bead into that gap there. However, on a couple of them before, with all that RPM on the Sausage, it actually popped out of the bead. And I think then that is when the tyre blew out. So I'm going to put it all back together again. And then before we bolt it up, put a little bit of glue in there. Hopefully have some glue in between the bead and the tyre. Hopefully they're not going to blow off again. Boom! Oh, back on this location. People in the comments actually said about a bump being bumpy.
It's a little bit.
But that's kind of what it's all about, off-road speed run. If it's too smooth, it's not off-road. So that's the best we got around here. That's what we're going to go with. Also going to run the body shell this time because Vinny reckons it go quicker with the body.
I reckon it did.
So we're going to try and make it an official world record. I'm not sure if it actually counts or not, but we're going to film the GPS on 0 and then the speed of the car. And hopefully that will be good for Guinness Book World Records if we show them. It might not be, but it might be. Right, here we go. So that one there, 0.
Get it right in there so you can see the
5
mile an hour. That's on 5.
So this one here, we're doing track, start. Is that doing it? Yep. What do you reckon, boys? We're going to do it?
Yep.
That was pinned for a while. Come on.
See what it says on that. No, 94.
94?
Check
Right,
that
we
one.
can keep it pinned for a bit longer. Read. 96. Alright, we can keep it pinned for a tiny bit longer. Come on. Come on, what's he got?
98.
Oh, that could be it on here then. That could be it. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on.
Read. No, you zeroed it.
Did I?
Yeah, press
No.
read. You've ruined it now.
What?
You pressed the wrong button. Come on, it must save it somewhere.
Well, no, that was. No, it definitely wasn't that one. Oh, well, which one is it then?
But is the time right on here?
Yeah, well, no, it's not.
On the phone?
No, it's not. No, it says 8:32 AM on the phone.
That was. That's all in Wales, wasn't it? You try
Look at
without
the grass.
track.
Start.
What's going on with it? It's faulty, this
Yep,
thing.
No, press start. Press track.
Well, it...
No, press track. Now start.
Start.
That's it.
You take them,
And then
you
when
take
you
them.
want to read it, you press stop, and then you press read. All right?
All right. Come on, sausage.
They're miles away. Stop moaning. Come on.
Here we go.
That is moving. Oh, that is moving. Go on then, bring it back. Don't forget, stop, read.
I'm going to mess it up again.
No, you ain't.
I will, because I don't like this app at all. It's so finicky.
You see the front tyres though?
100! 100! Yes! 100 mile an hour! That's going to be more on this one.
Of course it is.
Right, how do I do it? You do it. You press the button.
stop.
You
No,
do it. You do
stop.
it. You do it. I'm going to mess it up
Stop.
again. Stop.
Read.
Boom!
Now we got to take it to the moon.
Guys, that is definitely a world record. My challenge was 100 mile an hour. We've finally done it. It's been so much work. Next video with the sausage, we're going to try the long jump world record with it. Can't believe we've done it.
That's good. Let's have another look.
Look.
100 on there. 101 on there.
Oh, look at the tyres.
Oh yeah, it was pinning the tyres out there, look.
Yeah. But they stayed on this time.
Yeah, but see the balloonage on it, that was mental.
Surprised it didn't blow out that
Yeah,
time.
that was lucky.
Man, these Max 4s, they've got, that's cold, feel that.
What about the motor?
How about the motor? Yeah, he's cold.
Yeah, that's not hot, but yeah, there's a little bit of warmth in the speed controller. Not much. That's nuts.
Challenge accomplished.
The bollocks.
But really, he's all excited. He wants to see it run again. So we're going to put these tailor wheels back on it. Now the gearing is going to be less with these because these are actually taller, and also these expand, these don't. So it's going to be interesting to see what the speed is. I reckon if we start gearing up, it might even go faster. Reset this one. So there we go. Look at that. One last look at that. 100 mile an hour. So we'll reset that. That's all it had in them. I'm surprised it didn't blow. They were ballooned out. We put that in slow motion. You see it like a record, like a pizza. Does he want to go along for the ride? Look, this dude. Yep. Oh, 100 mile an hour bug. Can't Lewis running out of film here. Right, so we got to go back. How do you do it?
Start.
Short track.
No, you're already on it. Press start. Press track
Track.
again. That's it.
Start.
Yeah.
Right. So now we remove it. Right.
Yep.
Okay, and that one, show this one. 0.
0.
I've got stable.
Nah. Still moving. Is that the back end coming round on it naturally? Don't bust it.
I reckon geared up, we've got more in it.
Stop, read.
Yeah, 96.
That's not bad.
Well, what I'm going to do now, I'm going to let someone else try and get the record. I know as RC is desperate to go over 100 mile an hour, so I'm going to wait for somebody else to get a higher speed, and then, if they get higher speed, we're going to go for it again. But for now, that's it for the sausage.
100 mile an hour. Done.
Yeah.
To the moon next time.
Cut!